Hey guys, welcome to a video, and today I'm going to be playing Battle Cats. So guys, so I am on Battle Cats. So I'm going to be battling Nepal with the speed up. So let's see how I do. The battle begins. Okay. What did I have against me? Just a doge. I'm sending my cat. God, that is so fast. Ugh. I'm gonna save up for that axe cat, you guys. I'm killing him like crazy. Okay, there we go. He's right there. About hitting the base. No, I think the pig spawns here. I'm not sure yet. Okay, so yeah. I'm getting some good damage off. We're setting in our meat shields. I gotta set in my meat shields. I'm a cat cannon. Just for safety. Okay, there we go. Axe cat. I think I know something that'll hold him back. Cat God. No, I'm gonna save it for later in this battle. Okay, they killed all their meat shields. Okay, got a basic cat in the tank.
Wait, how did you get that?
I don't know. But there's the pig. So I was like, the pig does spawn. I'm gonna get all my cats. They already do have kind of a lot.
Just wait for...
Yeah, I'll get past him. Guys, I know I'm not using my cat cannon, it's just it won't hit any of the enemies. Oh crap, there's two pigs. Ooh. They're coming.
Well, when they get there, you'll fire them.
Yeah, I'll fire my cat
cannon.
cannon.
When they get behind that line, you'll fire it. Okay?
Yeah. Okay, now. Okay, there we go.
It looks like everything is going fast.
Because I have my speed up.
Yeah, of course.
Oh no! They're coming!
Yeah, that's why you shouldn't just wait and wait and wait.
No, I'm just waiting for more cats, Dylan. Oh, I know something that'll hold them back. I just forgot.
Thunder.
The Wrath of God.
Wrath of God, go!
Yes!
It won't actually kill him. It might actually kill him, but
I think it will.
yeah, me too.
Oh crap! Before defeat, I'm doing a healing, so your base is back at full.
God's miracle. He's naked, basically.
Sorry, guys. Now look at that.
I didn't know that healed at all.
Heals all the health of your cats and the health of the base. And I'll need to do that one more time.
What?
The healing thing.
God's miracle?
Yep. Just because, look, I'm only at 875 because of those pigs. So I'm going to do it one more time.
Some parts of this game are just not very appropriate.
Keep going, basic cats.
Like one of them called the brawl.
The brawl cat?
Yeah.
Yep, one pig's down. Second pig's down. Uh-oh. Okay, got a cat gang. Almost. I gotta get a gross cat out. Okay, I'm getting close.
I hope that there's not a third one that comes out.
I don't think there's a third pig. If we do, if they do, we have the gross cat. The handle on.
And some other ones.
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna waste my cat cannon. I know I should have, but I'm just waste it. Never mind, I already won.
Well, this is actually
new cat waiting to be upgraded. Okay.
Ooh, let's see.
Yeah, you do.
Special cat.
It's
Samurai cat, but it's 90.
yeah, and I spent all his cat food. So guys, we're gonna end the video off here.
Yeah, I guess. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.